Are you looking for the top 5 best budget drone? Just got even better? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best budget drone. Just got even better on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned. So be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. DJI Neo Mini Drone with 4K UHD Camera. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. DJI Neo must be activated in the DJI Fly app. To ensure a better product usage experience, please go to the DJI official website to download the app before use. Lightweight and regulation friendly. At just 135G, this drone with camera for adults 4K may be even lighter than your phone and does not require FAA registration and remote ID. Throw Neo in your backpack or even your pocket. Just grab and go. Multiple control options, flexible fun. Fly Neo controller free or with voice control, Yen/CN, mobile app or RC. Capture an epic birthday or film a family picnic. These versatile options make it easy for everyone to try this drone for adults. 4K ultra stabilized video. 8. Whether you're hiking, kayaking, or just strolling in a windy park, this drone with camera for adults 4K uses DJI stabilization technology, level for wind resistance, and 4K UHD combined to ensure smooth, high-quality footage. Full coverage propeller guards. Nervous flyers, let go of your worries. Dip and dive dynamically around your house and through tree branches without worry. The standard DJI Neo comes with battery, propeller guards, and more, and is ready to use controller-free or with a smartphone. Number 2. Holy Stone GPS Drone. Holy Stone HS360S GPS Drone. This foldable FPV quadcopter weighs just 249G, making it portable and easy to carry and light enough to avoid many drone registration requirements. It comes with a 4K UHD camera 1/3 Galaxy Core CMOS with an 85 degrees wide-angle lens that shoots 3840 by 2160 video and photos, with the ability to tilt the camera up to 90 degrees via remote or app for flexible aerial shots. Thanks to its brushless motor and built-in GPS, HS360S offers stable flights, even in light wind. GPS also enables automated features such as Follow Me, waypoint/poi routing, and smart return home when battery is low or signal drops. With up to 10,000 feet, is almost equal to 3,000 m, control range, and about 20 minutes of flight per battery. It's well suited for hobby aerial photography, travel vlogging, and casual drone exploring. Ideal for beginners and adults alike, the HS360S balances portability, simplicity, and features, a budget-friendly way to get started with drone filming without needing advanced piloting skills. Number 3. Skyflip 4K Foldable Drone. Experience next-level flight with this advanced 4K camera drone, designed for both adults and kids ages 8 to 12. Its powerful brushless motor delivers smoother, quiet performance, while the FPV real-time transmission lets you enjoy crisp aerial views straight from your phone. The foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to pack, travel, and fly anywhere. With up to 40 minutes of combined battery life, you get extended air time for exploring, capturing stunning photos, or practicing fun maneuvers. Kids and beginners will love the app control, altitude hold, and one-key start/return functions that make flying simple and safe. For added excitement, unleash cool stunts like the 360 degrees flip, circle fly, and trajectory flight mode. Whether you're gifting for Christmas or upgrading your collection, this drone offers a perfect balance of durability, performance, and fun, making every flight an unforgettable adventure for the whole family. Number 4. TD31 LCD Pro Drone. Experience effortless flying with the TD31 LCD RC drone, the perfect foldable drone for beginners and adults. Equipped with a built-in LCD screen, it delivers real-time digital image transmission without needing a smartphone, making every flight simple and intuitive. Its advanced brushless motor provides stronger power, quieter operation, and longer lifespan, ensuring stable performance in every environment. With smart fine-tuning functions, beginners can easily correct drift and maintain smooth, steady flight. The foldable, lightweight design makes it travel-friendly, while one-key takeoff/landing and altitude both give you full confidence in the air. Enjoy crisp live views, precise controls, and responsive maneuvering whether you're practicing or exploring new angles. Perfect for adults, first-time pilots, or anyone looking for a reliable, user-friendly drone. The TD31 LCD brings the ideal combination of simplicity, durability, and real-time visual control. Number 5. RC Drone Quadcopter with 360-degree flip. Make playtime unforgettable with the 2025 Mini RC Drone Quadcopter, the perfect beginner-friendly drone, designed for kids ages 8 to 12. This compact, lightweight flyer is built for fun, featuring exciting 360 degrees flips and smooth 90 degree surround flight that let kids perform cool aerial tricks with ease. Its simple controls, one-key takeoff/landing, and stable altitude hold make it easy for young pilots to learn and fly confidently. Durable materials help the drone withstand bumps and beginner mistakes, while bright LED lights add extra excitement for indoor or outdoor flights. The mini size makes it ideal for travel parties and everyday play. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, or Christmas, this mini RC drone makes a perfect gift for boys and girls, encouraging creativity, coordination, and hours of high-flying fun.